Halo semuanya, pada video kali ini kita berlatih untuk mengartikan apa yang diucapkan orang dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Kita akan mulai dengan kalimat-kalimat yang pendek dan mudah dulu, lalu secara bertahap menuju ke kalimat yang lebih panjang dan kompleks. Kalimat bahasa Inggrisnya akan diucapkan 2 kali, dan cobalah untuk menerjemahkan arti atau maksud dari kalimat tersebut ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Lalu, cocokkanlah jawaban kamu pada akhir setiap kalimat. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
Do you drink coffee in the morning? Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Apakah kamu minum kopi di pagi hari?
Did you see that beautiful sunset today? Did you see that beautiful sunset today?
Apakah kamu melihat matahari terbenam indah hari ini?
How can we complete this without mistakes? How can we complete this without mistakes?
Bagaimana kita bisa menyelesaikan ini tanpa kesalahan?
Do you have a favorite beautiful place? Do you have a favorite beautiful place?
Apakah kamu punya tempat indah favorit?
Can you finish this task quickly today? Can you finish this task quickly today?
Bisakah kamu menyelesaikan tugas ini dengan cepat hari ini?
Do you like eating at restaurants or home? Do you like eating at restaurants or home?
Apakah kamu suka makan di restoran atau di rumah?
I want everyone to understand me clearly. I want everyone to understand me clearly.
Saya ingin semua orang mengerti saya dengan jelas.
I feel relaxed and calm when writing. I feel relaxed and calm when writing.
Saya merasa santai dan tenang saat menulis.
I prefer working carefully to avoid errors. I prefer working carefully to avoid errors.
Saya lebih suka bekerja hati-hati untuk menghindari kesalahan.
Safety is the most important for me. Safety is the most important for me.
Keamanan adalah yang paling penting bagi saya.
Spending time with family always makes me happy. Spending time with family always makes me happy.
Menghabiskan waktu dengan keluarga selalu membuatku bahagia.
I love oak trees because they are strong. I love oak trees because they are strong.
Saya suka pohon ek, karena mereka kuat.
I read each page carefully and slowly. I read each page carefully and slowly.
Saya membaca setiap halaman dengan hati-hati dan pelan.
I drive almost every day for work. I drive almost every day for work.
Saya mengemudi hampir setiap hari untuk bekerja.
I like small cars because they're practical. I like small cars because they're practical.
Saya suka mobil kecil karena praktis.
I prefer eating slowly to enjoy my food. I prefer eating slowly to enjoy my food.
Saya lebih suka makan perlahan untuk menikmati makanan saya.
I focus and avoid distractions while working. I focus and avoid distractions while working.
Saya fokus dan menghindari gangguan saat bekerja.
Because mistakes can cause big problems later. Because mistakes can cause big problems later.
Karena kesalahan bisa menyebabkan masalah besar nanti.
I usually eat eggs and some toast. I usually eat eggs and some toast.
Saya biasanya makan telur dan roti panggang.
I can type quickly when I'm focused. I can type quickly when I'm focused.
Saya bisa mengetik cepat saat saya fokus.
I write about my day and thoughts. I write about my day and thoughts.
Saya menulis tentang hari saya dan pemikiran saya.
I take deep breaths to calm myself. I take deep breaths to calm myself.
Saya menarik napas dalam untuk menenangkan diri.
Drinking warm tea helps me sleep better. Drinking warm tea helps me sleep better.
Minum teh hangat membantu saya tidur lebih nyenyak.
Being gentle makes others feel comfortable. Being gentle makes others feel comfortable.
Bersikap lembut membuat orang lain merasa nyaman.
I like soft chairs that are easy to relax in. I like soft chairs that are easy to relax in.
Saya suka kursi empuk yang memudahkan untuk bersantai.
I usually sleep for about 8 hours. I usually sleep for about 8 hours.
Saya biasanya tidur sekitar 8 jam.
I prefer new cars because they're reliable. I prefer new cars because they're reliable.
Saya lebih suka mobil baru karena lebih andal.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Apa yang biasanya kamu makan untuk sarapan?
What makes you feel happy? What makes you feel happy?
Apa yang membuatmu merasa bahagia?
I need to finish the project on time. I need to finish the project on time.
Saya harus menyelesaikan proyek tepat waktu.
I can cook scrambled eggs easily for breakfast. I can cook scrambled eggs easily for breakfast.
Saya bisa memasak telur orak-arik dengan mudah untuk sarapan.
I sit in the chair by the window. I sit in the chair by the window.
Saya duduk di kursi dekat jendela.
How do you feel when you don't sleep enough? How do you feel when you don't sleep enough?
Bagaimana perasaanmu jika tidak cukup tidur?
Why are you walking so slowly? Why are you walking so slowly?
Kenapa kamu berjalan begitu pelan?
Do you know how to drive a car? Do you know how to drive a car?
Apakah kamu tahu cara mengendarai mobil?
Why do people sometimes get so angry? Why do people sometimes get so angry?
Mengapa orang kadang merasa sangat marah?
Have you ever tried eating sushi before? Have you ever tried eating sushi before?
Pernahkah kamu mencoba makan sushi sebelumnya?
What do you do when feeling angry? What do you do when feeling angry?
Apa yang kamu lakukan saat merasa marah?
What kind of car do you like best? What kind of car do you like best?
Mobil jenis apa yang paling kamu suka?
I enjoy writing about adventures. I enjoy writing about adventures.
Saya suka menulis tentang petualangan.
Happiness makes life much better. Happiness makes life much better.
Kebahagiaan membuat hidup jauh lebih baik.
I love reading books in my free time. I love reading books in my free time.
Saya suka membaca buku di waktu luang saya.
I focus and avoid distractions while working. I focus and avoid distractions while working.
Saya fokus dan menghindari gangguan saat bekerja.
Talking to my family always makes me feel better. Talking to my family always makes me feel better.
Berbicara dengan keluarga selalu membuat saya merasa lebih baik.
I try to sleep early to feel fresh. I try to sleep early to feel fresh.
Saya mencoba tidur lebih awal agar merasa segar.
I love exploring new places and cultures. I love exploring new places and cultures.
Saya suka menjelajahi tempat dan budaya baru.
Do you have a tree in your garden? Do you have a tree in your garden?
Apakah kamu punya pohon di tamanmu?
I'm feeling tired and need to rest. I'm feeling tired and need to rest.
Saya merasa lelah dan butuh istirahat.
I try to be brave in difficult situations. I try to be brave in difficult situations.
Saya mencoba untuk berani dalam situasi sulit.
Trees help clean the air and provide shade. Trees help clean the air and provide shade.
Pohon membantu membersihkan udara dan memberikan teduh.
I can type quickly when I'm focused. I can type quickly when I'm focused.
Saya bisa mengetik dengan cepat saat saya fokus.
I enjoy cooking dinner for my family. I enjoy cooking dinner for my family.
Saya suka memasak makan malam untuk keluarga saya.
Do you prefer a new car or used? Do you prefer a new car or used?
Apakah kamu lebih suka mobil baru atau bekas?
I like mystery and adventure books. I like mystery and adventure books.
Saya suka buku misteri dan petualangan.
I have 6 chairs in my dining room. I have 6 chairs in my dining room.
Saya punya 6 kursi di ruang makan.
You seem very friendly to everyone here. You seem very friendly to everyone here.
Kamu terlihat sangat ramah kepada semua orang di sini.
I try to read a book every week. I try to read a book every week.
Saya mencoba membaca buku setiap minggu.
Writing helps me express my ideas. Writing helps me express my ideas.
Menulis membantu saya mengekspresikan ide-ide saya.
How can we avoid getting angry quickly? How can we avoid getting angry quickly?
Bagaimana cara menghindari marah dengan cepat?
I really love eating spicy fried chicken. I really love eating spicy fried chicken.
Saya sangat suka makan ayam goreng pedas.
It needs focus and careful steps. It needs focus and careful steps.
Ini membutuhkan fokus dan langkah hati-hati.
I prefer to sleep in the dark. I prefer to sleep in the dark.
Saya lebih suka tidur dalam gelap.
Trying new things can be scary but exciting. Trying new things can be scary but exciting.
Mencoba hal baru bisa menakutkan tapi menyenangkan.
Sometimes, but careful work is still important. Sometimes, but careful work is still important.
Kadang-kadang, tetapi pekerjaan hati-hati tetap penting.
I prefer eating at home with family. I prefer eating at home with family.
Saya lebih suka makan di rumah, bersama keluarga.
I'm sorry for making you wait outside. I'm sorry for making you wait outside.
Maaf, telah membuatmu menunggu di luar.
I can jump about 2 meters high. I can jump about 2 meters high.
Saya bisa melompat setinggi sekitar 2 meter.
It's important to be kind and gentle. It's important to be kind and gentle.
Penting untuk bersikap baik dan lembut.
Mistakes are part of learning, don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning, don't worry.
Kesalahan adalah bagian dari belajar, jangan khawatir.
Being friendly makes life more enjoyable. Being friendly makes life more enjoyable.
Bersikap ramah membuat hidup lebih menyenangkan.
I'm glad to hear that. It's important. I'm glad to hear that. It's important.
Senang mendengarnya, itu sangat penting.
Don't worry, with practice you'll improve. Don't worry, with practice you'll improve.
Jangan khawatir, dengan latihan kamu akan berkembang.
I always drink water when I'm tired. I always drink water when I'm tired.
Saya selalu minum air ketika saya lelah.
It feels so nice to have a clean space. It feels so nice to have a clean space.
Rasanya sangat menyenangkan, memiliki ruang yang bersih.
I try to exercise at least 3 times a week. I try to exercise at least 3 times a week.
Saya berusaha berolahraga setidaknya 3 kali seminggu.
I always try to set a good example. I always try to set a good example.
Saya selalu berusaha memberi contoh yang baik.
Thank you for returning the pen so quickly. Thank you for returning the pen so quickly.
Terima kasih telah mengembalikan pena dengan cepat.
I have a cute cat named Milo. I have a cute cat named Milo.
Saya punya seekor kucing lucu bernama Milo.
I believe politeness is important. I believe politeness is important.
Saya percaya sopan santun itu penting.
That sounds like a good routine to follow. That sounds like a good routine to follow.
Itu terdengar seperti rutinitas yang baik untuk diikuti.
I believe being friendly makes everyone happy. I believe being friendly makes everyone happy.
Saya percaya bersikap ramah membuat semua orang senang.
Thank you, I appreciate your understanding. Thank you, I appreciate your understanding.
Terima kasih. Saya menghargai pengertianmu.
I have a smartwatch with many features. I have a smartwatch with many features.
Saya punya jam tangan pintar dengan banyak fitur.
I always wear my watch to check time. I always wear my watch to check time.
Saya selalu memakai jam tangan untuk mengecek waktu.
I didn't realize I was speaking loudly. I didn't realize I was speaking loudly.
Saya tidak menyadari bahwa saya berbicara dengan keras.
How do you stay so friendly all the time? How do you stay so friendly all the time?
Bagaimana kamu tetap ramah sepanjang waktu?
I've been trying to learn something new. I've been trying to learn something new.
Aku sedang mencoba mempelajari sesuatu yang baru.
Bright days like this always lift my mood. Bright days like this always lift my mood.
Hari cerah seperti ini selalu meningkatkan suasana hati saya.
I prefer cooking with my friends and family. I prefer cooking with my friends and family.
Saya lebih suka memasak bersama teman-teman dan keluarga saya.
I wish we could see it again soon. I wish we could see it again soon.
Saya berharap kita bisa melihatnya lagi segera.
I'm learning how to cook different dishes. I'm learning how to cook different dishes.
Aku sedang belajar memasak berbagai hidangan.
Keep practicing and you'll get better. Keep practicing and you'll get better.
Terus berlatih dan kamu akan semakin baik.
Staying hydrated is very important. Staying hydrated is very important.
Menjaga tubuh tetap terhidrasi sangat penting.
I'm glad to hear that. It's important. I'm glad to hear that. It's important.
Senang mendengarnya, itu sangat penting.
Do you think learning gets easier with practice? Do you think learning gets easier with practice?
Menurutmu, belajar menjadi lebih mudah dengan latihan.
I love cooking pasta with tomato sauce. I love cooking pasta with tomato sauce.
Saya suka memasak pasta dengan saus tomat.
It's nice to see someone so kind. It's nice to see someone so kind.
Senang melihat seseorang yang begitu baik.
You have a nice soft voice. You have a nice soft voice.
Kamu memiliki suara yang lembut dan bagus.
I'll keep practicing until I get really good. I'll keep practicing until I get really good.
Aku akan terus berlatih sampai aku benar-benar mahir.
The bird's feathers were shining so brightly. The bird's feathers were shining so brightly.
Bulu burung itu bersinar sangat terang.
A clean room helps me focus better. A clean room helps me focus better.
Kamar yang bersih membantu saya fokus lebih baik.
Being polite makes people happy. Being polite makes people happy.
Bersikap sopan membuat orang senang.
I feel much better after drinking water. I feel much better after drinking water.
Saya merasa jauh lebih baik setelah minum air.
You look really tired today. You look really tired today.
Kamu terlihat sangat lelah hari ini.
I love Italian food, especially pasta. I love Italian food, especially pasta.
Saya suka makanan Italia, terutama pasta.
I love opening the window in the morning. I love opening the window in the morning.
Saya suka membuka jendela di pagi hari.
Please be quiet, I need to concentrate. Please be quiet, I need to concentrate.
Tolong diam, saya perlu berkonsentrasi.
I love spending time in the garden. I love spending time in the garden.
Saya suka menghabiskan waktu di kebun.
I think I'll take a hot shower soon. I think I'll take a hot shower soon.
Saya rasa, saya akan mandi air panas sebentar lagi.
Homemade food feels more special, definitely. Homemade food feels more special, definitely.
Makanan rumahan terasa lebih istimewa, pastinya.
You should take a break and rest. You should take a break and rest.
Kamu sebaiknya istirahat sejenak.
It's important to be quiet in the library. It's important to be quiet in the library.
Penting untuk tetap tenang di perpustakaan.
I should start working out more as well. I should start working out more as well.
Saya juga harus mulai berolahraga lebih banyak.
I feel much more relaxed here. I feel much more relaxed here.
Saya merasa jauh lebih santai di sini.
I always try to be friendly. I always try to be friendly.
Saya selalu berusaha ramah.
Could you please open the door for me? Could you please open the door for me?
Bisakah kamu membuka pintu untuk saya?
I'm reading a book about history and culture. I'm reading a book about history and culture.
Saya sedang membaca buku tentang sejarah dan budaya.
Gardening helps me feel connected to nature. Gardening helps me feel connected to nature.
Berkebun membuat saya merasa terhubung dengan alam.
I cook pasta at least twice a week. I cook pasta at least twice a week.
Saya memasak pasta setidaknya 2 kali seminggu.
I always open my window to get some fresh air. I always open my window to get some fresh air.
Saya selalu membuka jendela untuk mendapatkan udara segar.
Resting is the best way to recharge. Resting is the best way to recharge.
Istirahat adalah cara terbaik untuk mengisi ulang energi.
I have an important task to finish. I have an important task to finish.
Saya punya tugas penting yang harus diselesaikan.
I enjoy mystery books and adventure stories. I enjoy mystery books and adventure stories.
Saya suka buku misteri dan cerita petualangan.
My desk is full of papers and books. My desk is full of papers and books.
Meja saya penuh dengan kertas dan buku.
There are a few things I need to discuss. There are a few things I need to discuss.
Ada beberapa hal yang perlu saya diskusikan.
I stayed up late working on a project. I stayed up late working on a project.
Saya begadang menyelesaikan proyek.
Sometimes small places are the best. Sometimes small places are the best.
Terkadang tempat kecil adalah yang terbaik.
Everyone here is really friendly. Everyone here is really friendly.
Semua orang di sini sangat ramah.
I want to climb that mountain this weekend. I want to climb that mountain this weekend.
Saya ingin mendaki gunung itu akhir pekan ini.
Old books often have great stories. Old books often have great stories.
Buku-buku lama sering memiliki cerita yang hebat.
I visited a beautiful lake today. I visited a beautiful lake today.
Saya mengunjungi sebuah danau yang indah hari ini.
I just cleaned my room today. I just cleaned my room today.
Saya baru saja membersihkan kamar saya hari ini.
You should drink plenty of water. You should drink plenty of water.
Kamu harus minum banyak air.
I love the flowers in the garden. I love the flowers in the garden.
Saya suka bunga-bunga di kebun.
I'm having trouble understanding this part. I'm having trouble understanding this part.
Saya kesulitan memahami bagian ini.
Swimming sounds perfect in this heat. Swimming sounds perfect in this heat.
Berenang terdengar sempurna di panas seperti ini.
I saw a new restaurant down the street. I saw a new restaurant down the street.
Saya melihat restoran baru di ujung jalan.
I feel so comfortable in this chair. I feel so comfortable in this chair.
Saya merasa sangat nyaman di kursi ini.
It was peaceful and very relaxing. It was peaceful and very relaxing.
Itu sangat tenang dan sangat menenangkan.
The colors in the sky and water are amazing. The colors in the sky and water are amazing.
Warna di langit dan air sangat menakjubkan.
I enjoy smelling the roses every morning. I enjoy smelling the roses every morning.
Saya menikmati mencium mawar setiap pagi.
What are you planning to do this weekend? What are you planning to do this weekend?
Apa yang kamu rencanakan untuk akhir pekan ini?
I love making pizza. It's so much fun. I love making pizza. It's so much fun.
Saya suka membuat pizza. Sangat menyenangkan.
A hot cup of tea would be perfect now. A hot cup of tea would be perfect now.
Secangkir teh panas akan sangat cocok sekarang.
We should spend more time in the garden. We should spend more time in the garden.
Kita harus lebih banyak menghabiskan waktu di kebun.
I love discovering new spots on this street. I love discovering new spots on this street.
Saya suka menemukan tempat baru di jalan ini.
I can't wait to go to the beach. I can't wait to go to the beach.
Saya tidak sabar untuk pergi ke pantai.
Running is great for staying healthy. Running is great for staying healthy.
Berlari sangat baik untuk kesehatan.
Do you like to read books in your free time? Do you like to read books in your free time?
Apakah kamu suka membaca buku di waktu luangmu?
Fresh air in the morning feels amazing. Fresh air in the morning feels amazing.
Udara segar di pagi hari terasa luar biasa.
I love to listen to music while working. I love to listen to music while working.
Saya suka mendengarkan musik saat bekerja.
What kind of watch do you have? What kind of watch do you have?
Jam tangan jenis apa yang kamu punya?
Do you like to sing in the shower? Do you like to sing in the shower?
Apakah kamu suka bernyanyi di kamar mandi?
Can you close the window, please? Can you close the window, please?
Bisakah kamu menutup jendelanya?
I love warm weather. It makes me happy. I love warm weather. It makes me happy.
Saya suka cuaca hangat, itu membuat saya bahagia.
Let's sit down and enjoy the meal. Let's sit down and enjoy the meal.
Mari duduk dan nikmati makanannya.
I need to pack my bag for the trip. I need to pack my bag for the trip.
Saya perlu mengemas tas saya untuk perjalanan.
I just bought a new cup today. I just bought a new cup today.
Saya baru saja membeli cangkir baru hari ini.
What kind of podcasts do you enjoy? What kind of podcasts do you enjoy?
Podcast tentang apa yang kamu sukai?
That must have been amazing. That must have been amazing.
Itu pasti luar biasa.
You can take classes or using language learning apps. You can take classes or using language learning apps.
Anda bisa mengikuti kelas atau menggunakan aplikasi pembelajaran bahasa.
Dress professionally, research the company, and showcase your skills. Dress professionally, research the company, and showcase your skills.
Berpakaianlah secara profesional, teliti perusahaan, dan tunjukkan keterampilan Anda.
You can start by cutting unnecessary expenses. You can start by cutting unnecessary expenses.
Anda bisa memulainya dengan memotong pengeluaran yang tidak perlu.
Practice empathy, kindness, and self-reflection regularly. Practice empathy, kindness, and self-reflection regularly.
Latihlah empati, kebaikan, dan introspeksi diri secara teratur.
John is responsible for this project. John is responsible for this project.
John bertanggung jawab atas proyek ini.
The next president will be elected next year. The next president will be elected next year.
Presiden berikutnya akan dipilih tahun depan.
I intend to visit my parents this weekend. I intend to visit my parents this weekend.
Saya bermaksud mengunjungi orang tua saya akhir pekan ini.
Apply sunscreen before going to the beach. Apply sunscreen before going to the beach.
Pakailah tabir surya sebelum pergi ke pantai.
The government earmarked funds for education. The government earmarked funds for education.
Pemerintah menyediakan dana untuk pendidikan.
The company will ship the products tomorrow. The company will ship the products tomorrow.
Perusahaan akan mengirimkan produk besok.
The implementation of the new system went smoothly. The implementation of the new system went smoothly.
Implementasi sistem baru berjalan lancar.
The execution of the plan was flawless. The execution of the plan was flawless.
Pelaksanaan rencana itu sempurna.
Her performance in the play was outstanding. Her performance in the play was outstanding.
Penampilannya dalam pertunjukan itu luar biasa.
The enforcement of laws is crucial for maintaining order. The enforcement of laws is crucial for maintaining order.
Penegakan hukum penting untuk menjaga ketertiban.
The application of the new technology improved efficiency. The application of the new technology improved efficiency.
Penerapan teknologi baru meningkatkan efisiensi.
Proper use of resources is important for success. Proper use of resources is important for success.
Penggunaan sumber daya yang tepat penting untuk kesuksesan.
They made a generous donation to the charity. They made a generous donation to the charity.
Mereka memberikan sumbangan yang besar kepada badan amal tersebut.
Giving to charity is a common cultural practice. Giving to charity is a common cultural practice.
Memberi untuk amal adalah praktik budaya yang umum.
Remember to warm up before exercising. Remember to warm up before exercising.
Ingatlah untuk melakukan pemanasan sebelum berolahraga.
Enrollment for the course starts next week. Enrollment for the course starts next week.
Pendaftaran untuk kursus itu dimulai minggu depan.
His admission to the university was confirmed. His admission to the university was confirmed.
Penerimaannya di universitas itu sudah dikonfirmasi.
I've been working here for 3 years. I've been working here for 3 years.
Saya sudah bekerja di sini selama 3 tahun.
These rules apply to everyone. These rules apply to everyone.
Aturan-aturan ini berlaku untuk semua orang.
The reception was held in the hotel ballroom. The reception was held in the hotel ballroom.
Resepsi diadakan di ruang resepsi hotel.
Her acceptance of the offer was immediate. Her acceptance of the offer was immediate.
Penerimaannya terhadap tawaran itu langsung terjadi.
She garnered support from the community. She garnered support from the community.
Dia mengumpulkan dukungan dari masyarakat.
Everyone came except John. Everyone came except John.
Semua orang datang kecuali John.
Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally.
Jangan tersinggung.
I'm on my way to supermarket. I'm on my way to supermarket.
Saya sedang dalam perjalanan ke supermarket.
His father runs a restaurant. His father runs a restaurant.
Ayahnya mengelola restoran.